Our sausage burrata pasta is so creamy and has a little kick to it. Over medium-high heat, add olive oil to your skillet. Add in your onions and sauté until they're soft. Add in the sausage and cook for approximately 5 minutes. Use a wooden spoon to break up the sausage into crumbles. Add garlic and sauté for an additional 3 minutes. Stir in the tomato sauce and white wine. Simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Turn the heat to low and slowly stir in the half and half. Once everything is well combined, stir in your Parmesan cheese and tomatoes. Add in your pasta and mix well with the sauce. You can find more delicious pasta recipes on our website.